Hi, this is Tom, and I'm trying to show you how to install an evap canister for Hyundai Sonata. This is the Hyundai Sonata, a very popular vehicle in US because it's a clone of a Mercedes-Benz, and people like class, and that's why people buy it. But it has a lot of problems sometimes, but you can be able to fix most of these problems. Here is the problem. This is a 2005 evap canister, and the newer model, you just have to pop this sensor back in. That's the newer model. The older model, they have a nut here that you have to kind of tighten, and installing is just a nightmare. But they have added something here. So this is an extra evaporation that goes back into the tank. So that's where the problem is. If you want to install a 2005 canister into a 2002 vehicle, and this is the problem. On my earlier video, I had showed you there's a pin, a little pin here that goes right here that you have to pull off for you to be able to unhook this little plug from the sensor that goes here into this your little evap canister. So 2002, this is the original 2002. As I showed you earlier, you have to open this nut that goes around here, around somewhere here. We're getting it. Be patient with me. Yeah, nut that goes right here. And this is the nut. And once you open it, it's a size it's a size 12. So once you open it, this thing will open just like a little hinge of your door. Goes right there. See, and it is on your gas side, on the passenger side. This thing has to come off. See the wheels? You have to take the wheel off. You have to take this off because you can only access this hoses from the side. And what I was telling you about this, about 2002 original, they have a nut here on this little sensor and this line that's going back. So for us to install 2005, we'll have to just plug this in and into the sensor and not use the other return that goes back into the gas tank. So this is the thing. So it's not hard to uninstall, but we have to get this thing. It's a pin that I was showing you that goes here. So I have to open it and then disconnect this line here that goes up back into the computer section or engine. So now you know this is how to